Hey guys, what is up, my guy? If you don't know where that's from, we actually cannot be friends. Just say. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's about as good as I've got it right now. Just okay. 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 Let's quickly put this on. Let's mark out our new levels. London High. Okie dokie. Which basically means this is kind of London though. Let's just call it a low. I just won't name it. Midnight is above, London High is above. Let's see if I'm correct. During London, I kind of said that I suspect this might want to go up and then, well, go back to, I guess, midnight and the new daily opening gap and especially after it took out Asia low, but it just kept going down. So, let's see. OTT! What's up, my man? I thought something was missing and I couldn't quite put my finger on it, and now I was like, oh, I can't read. That's what it is. That makes sense. Okay, let's do this. OTT, how goes? How goes? Are you ready for this? Baby shark, okay, don't know why that's now stuck in my head, but anyways, we're gonna be doing this. What's up, David? Okay. I really would expect to see this coming back up. Why are we doing that? What's up, Louie? How you doing, Louie? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I was a little bit quick with the good morning, but anyways. Let's see. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so daily, let's check the 4 hour. I'm gonna get yelled at just now. I know I'm gonna get yelled at just now. It's fine, you guys can yell at me later. Okay. Let's see if it goes back into this inverse. Zero, 2, 4. Nice, nice, nice. 4 hour, 1 hour. Why are you on like a fishing spree, David? You want to catch all them fishies. You're gonna be the reason of a fishing hat. No, I'm kidding. Just messing with you. Okay, break even. Wait, did you take a trade? What? What? OTT? What? I'm confused. Did you take a trade? Am I missing something? I would expect to see a retracement. Is it going to happen though? Probably not. 1 hour, 15 minute. Baby shark. Damn it. Break even if I get hit lucky. Hang around before open. Oh, okay. Just playing around in the markets. Why not, right? Never mind, I'm cooking. Oh. Okay. Okay. You having fun? You looking for bulls as well, OTT? Are you in on this long? Baby shark, damn. This is really gonna irritate me. Sweet cuisine is a break of structure on the 1 hour. If you want, I can give what I would do. Okay, you haven't intrigued me. What would you do? Yes, long. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh gosh. Took a bite. Oh, both of you guys are in buys right now. Look at you guys go. You guys go, cupcakes. Got in on it early. Gosh, got in on that price action early. Are you sick and tired of New York Open being like really meh? So you're like, screw it. Maybe pre-markets are just the way to go. What's up, Lurk? How are you? CISD entry that. Ooh. Okay, so did you backtest it and was it like successful? End of that first blue candle. Like this very first, oh, we're talking about the 5 minutes. Sorry, I know it's a little bit delayed. I'm assuming you're talking about the 5 minute. It's the figure from the high to low and wait. Change your character in zone 50% at 5 minutes. My fib or my GAN box? I don't use a fib, I use my GAN box. Gosh, that's gonna be so chaotic. Sorry, no, just thinking about everything that's gonna pop up. It will look so chaotic. Oh, that being said, this doesn't look bad, and I unhid everything. That looks bad, but that's not the point. Baby shark, damn. Is this about to freaking go bob to bob? Before open? No. No. OTT, where's your... no, actually, don't tell me. I was gonna say, where's your TP at? But we know, don't tell me that. Just say whoop whoop. Hey, Kwon. Gabriel. What's up? Turtle on eyes. Zippy.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hi, everybody. Are we all ready to rumble? Pew 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 pew. I don't know why I'm being extra weird. It's not gamble. I literally never said it was a gamble. I use a 50% retracement as well, so don't worry. I get it. Hey, Trix. What's up? I hope you get more proud. You know what? Me too. Not gonna lie. Me too. It's fine. Sunday, I basically, well, I don't want to say planned out, but low-key planned out my whole day to just do a bunch of backtesting, so let's see what happens. It took a partial. Nice. I'm waiting on a trade profit. Hopefully it goes through before the weekend. Isabel, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? The one real green man. Louis, I scaled in with another. So, like, my fib kind of looks like so. For example, you would want to see it retrace to the 50% of this range, but as you can see, this is kind of just running away. Not a bad thing. We got 6 minutes to go. Cannot believe this is about to freaking go bob to bob before this market opens. Oh well. I think this is a funded. I can still say is. This is a funded. It basically has like $20 left in it, but it is a funded. 930 better hit my TP. What am I trading? Trading the Nasdaq futures. Total on ice. No, I'm good. Can't complain. Cannot complain. How goes it? How goes it? Oh, I forgot to update my balance. Literally $20. I lie. $15. No? 25. No? I'm bad math. 15. Literally, okay. No, this is going off of hopes and dreams right now. Like I said, this is about to get real entertaining. By real entertaining, we might have to just hold like a little bye. TP hit what? OTT, what the heck, man? So now you're done for the day? Whoop whoop, well done, OTT. Splendid, it goes and goes good. Yeah, relax. Genix, what's up? How can you make the biggest bet with the smallest amount of money? Full pot. The one real green man? Don't do it. Don't do it, but theoretically that is... I'm now plus 2k on XUD and this you should test sometime. Sweep cuisine? Okay, wait. Sweet cuisine, let me copy paste what you said here. I will check it out. Like I said, I have such a long day planned for Sunday. Look for some more trades, gonna take on my live account. What did you take now, OTT? Was that on an eval? Trend Hub, what's up? How you doing? Baby shark, do do do, damn it. Why are we singing Baby Shark? Why is it stuck in my head? Why is this a thing right now? Makes my head sad. What's wrong with it? Oh wait, actually, Dad, Bob, that would have been the perfect time to say my brain. Except clearly it's malfunctioning recently, so you know, maybe I shouldn't be saying that. Anywho, 2 minutes to go. Let's do this. Yeah, well, invested / my friend wasn't using them anymore and gave them to me, so... Yeah, do with that what you will. Yeah. I look badass, right? Just kidding. It was easier than that dumb little earpiece kept falling out and I had to wear the headband to stop my glasses falling. This just does both. Problem solved. Tesla's going up pre-market, then it's going down all day. Interesting. I have a bit of a bull bias, but I mean, this could just keep continuing back down. But my bias is bullish today, so let's see, right? Yes, don't worry, I cleaned it. I cleaned it, Bob. You're good. Well, here we go. Oh wait, I forgot to do the most important thing.
Okay, let's go.
Beep, 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 beep. Everything is done. They're clean. I don't know how to prove that they're clean right now. Pre-market still a pump and dump. I'm bearish. It's not pre-market anymore. This is my second time ever taking a trade pre-market and it hit my TP. Oh my. Sorry, the way I read it was like, oh my. Like, let me clutch my pearls. Quite a bit of reaction there. Well, yes and no. It's still low-key a little bit of a doji, so, you know, call it what you will. Oh, it would have actually gone bob to bob. A few ticks below the bob level. Bob to bob, pre-market. Nice! Yeah, let me get better at these bob levels. Then maybe I'll be as cool as Bob and have a 13-day winning streak. Morning, good luck, and keep up the great work. Aw, Mr. Del Rey, thank you. You're so sweet, thank you. Wouldn't quite call what's happening recently great work, but, well, good work. No, you said great work, damn, okay. Well, I wouldn't even call it that, but point is, thank you. I always TP 3 to 5 points before I level. Yep. Rather safe than sorry, right? No. Also, this is not live TV. Is this live TV? This is not live TV. We're performing in the bad twang. Who? Who is that? I don't even know who that is. Oh, I'm in so much trouble. Oh, I'm in so much trouble. Oh. Oh no. That's a very big reaction. That is a very big rejection. You're getting that for— oh. Okay, I have to put myself in a timeout for a minute, guys. Don't mind me. No, I don't need my card. Leave me alone. I have to put myself in a timeout for a minute. That's why I can't talk, because I'm in a timeout for a full minute. Because that was bad. Okay, timeout, 1 minute. Okay, done. No, man. You have got this. You know you've got this. Good brief. Anyways, got taken on a profit, another 20 bucks. That's not bad. Full port Friday. Let's go. Ninja, at this point, part of me low-key wants to just be like, you know what, screw it. If I see it just breaking below here, just freaking limit in. I feel like that's low-key what we have to do. Because sweet and simply, there's a lot of imbalance going on upside that it wants to go and balance. Market always wants to be in balance. Okay, let's see what this looks like on the 5 minute. Alrighty then. Oh my gosh. Wow. What'd you do to go silent for a minute? I missed it. Oh, I did a stupid. I did a stupid. I can't say it again because obviously it was stupid, so I can't say it again. I'm ripping this band-aid off so that I can go on holiday and heal properly. Wait, Ninja, have you taken? Are you gonna take a short? Let's see here. The market maker will return to test it. Sila, no. It just tagged me in long. Oh. Okay, Ninja. Actually, don't tell me. Just say whoop whoop or finally. Right? There's two options here. Again, I would want to see it. Seriously? No, you don't give a damn about what I want to see, but seriously? At least go and retest slightly. Inferno! What up? Here we go. Would actually be better there if it breaks below there. If it breaks below there, let's see. This could be the retest. And an easy 1-to-1. Okay. Let's see what this does. Inferno. How goes? How goes? Good rejection. 18, 17, 16. Here we go. So my usual entry for short would be around here. Would I even have up to? Well, you know what? Let's do this. That'd be that. Few points above. If it comes back up at all, we're done. Yeah, I'm green for $10. Hey! Live your PPA account since last week. That's okay, Inferno. Trying to recoup. I think it's gonna make it to 0.2, then I'll go down. Let's see. Let's see on the 5 minute. Whoa, that was a solid freaking rejection there. Nice. Okay, well, if we're doing 5 minute, that barely closed below. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay, this is the first. Why did I call this the 5 minute? What is wrong with me? The first presented. You twit. Giving this was my normal size, I'll be up 1,000. I'm sorry, Ninja, that's okay. That's okay. You'll Villa, you'll learn one day. Learn what exactly? But yes, that's the plan, right? To learn this. I would do a short entry of ES hits 242. How to trade. Red. Want to see how it reacts at the first presented over here. Okay. Didn't really respect. Oh, no, could still bounce here. There we go. A little bit of bounce off of that first presented. Is it gonna work as well as we wanted to though? That's the big question. Mass rejection of that 5-minute orb midpoint, yeah. If this breaks this, it's going down solidly, so let's see. Hey Leslie, what's up? Hello friend, let's end today with a W. Trading for newbies. I mean, if it breaks below, it's going down. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. That's now going to be stuck in my head. Seriously, seriously, seriously. First was freaking Baby Shark. Now it's this. I mean, this probably has to reject back down if it's going. There's news at 10. Did you make profit? Guys, I did not take. This is the trade. Let's see, it went very good down. Okay. And you'd want to see it go down with, well, some proper oomph, I guess. Still rejecting off of there. Big wick action. 5 minutes. Sorry, I know I've gone like all quiet. I'm just thinking to myself, don't mind me. It's going to trade in range all day, but what range? You think so? Humans not bad as well. Just need like 3 more winning days. Sells stop loss at 756. So you're going for a long. No, I lied. I'm being a chop. Take profit at 150. I'm sorry, 23150. Oh, I guess we are back down to 23. I don't know why my brain just didn't clock that. Okay, but still, 23150 is quite a way to go. This mother fluffer's going up. Entry here. Freaking Bob's Bob, man. Okay. Tesla went up. Awesome. And let's actually fact check that. I know this isn't the best. Is there news today? No, nothing hectic on here. Is there news today? Ninja, imagine how I'm feeling. Oh no! Because you could have stayed in. Oh, Ninja, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I mean, you could just mark it in again. That might be a bit cheeky, but you could. Michigan Consumer Expectations Index. No news this week, just them tweety tweets. Them little Twitters. Is it still called a tweet if it's called X, out of curiosity? So that definitely would not have worked. Funny how it's going up. Yellow folders. Is the stock you trading up Tesla shares? No. I'm still in long, but with one contract. Oh, that's not bad though. Okay, get too big. I tapped into some liquidity, but I should see it drop back down for a proper sweep. Let's see, struggling to break above. See how it reacts here. Sorry, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Gonna zip it. Just double check one more time with regards to this. Okay. I keep doing what I do. You know what? One day I will have the struggles you guys are having right now. Like, that's it. That's all I have to say right now. Just seriously. You don't want my struggles? You don't think so? I don't want to jinx it. Ignore in one since last year November. What the heck, OTT? Isn't also just because you've been like super strict at only taking your correct setups? I'm old Maya, I've lived through Mixit, BBM, WhatsApp. Oh my gosh, Mixit! Oh my gosh, I forgot about Mixit. Wow, that was a blast from the past. Okay, what the heck is 4chan? I be finding there sometimes. I don't see a good rejection there. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, why is it stuck in my head, man? Ugh. Yeah, that is true. I'm mad picky with my setups, plus one trade, one session. Valid. And didn't you also like take London out of the equation now? You're like, nah, I will trade only New York. Well, apparently pre-market as well. I know why, because you went shark cage. I know, but like, why is it stuck in my head now? I went shark cage diving like a week ago. Thank you, Ninja. To be picky with your setups is not a bad thing. Let's just be real. Failed to break above. Now London coming. You're gonna short or long? I have a short setup. Here we go. Dip, dip, dip. It's hands off. So whatever happens here happens. Okay. Okay. Ending the day on a loss and fighting the need to revenge trade. $1K, what's up? How you doing? How you doing?
That's what she said.
That was good. That was good. I like that. I like that a lot. I think the point is now that it's hands off. So it is indeed hands off. It is a few points. This could maybe go a little bit higher for TP. I don't know. You never full expected to look without reason for big liquidity sweep. Huh. The one real green man. I have a question. Are you green? Because you're green is envy, right? What is green again? Jealousy. Green with jealousy. Were you thinking green like money? Huh? Okay, well. Don't come too far back up or else it's going to blow it before it goes down more. My friend and I joined a trading challenge against other traders and we were in first and second just pushing off each other to get to a point no one could catch up. Oh, nice, Willful Hunt. That is awesome. Oh no, don't retrace too much or else I'm screwed. Oh, don't retrace too much. Keep going down. If you keep retracing, I'm in trouble. Okay. Yeah, in the movie, maybe green morph suit. Ah, there we go. Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. I'm not even watching right now. Should I watch? No, maybe not. I feel like... No, whenever I watch, it does the opposite. It knows. It just knows things. Well, let's see. Let's see how this now goes. Marcel, watch. Welcome back, Marcel. What's... Yep, Marcel. Yes, I said that correctly. What's up? How you doing? So I close it in profit. Do I just live to fight another day? Go, 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 go. I got yelled at by Bob. There's lots of people who well, there's not a lot of people who I listen to, but if Bob's about to swear at me, then I know I better listen. If I don't go all the way, it was a good try. But then I am gonna do that. Because then it doesn't matter if it goes all the way or not. Don't sway, 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 don't sway. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do do. Okay. Ah! We're ready. What do you guys think of my blue socks? Oh. Okay. This account is almost Lazarus. Blokey dokey, blokey dokey, blokey dokey. See, I'm trying to learn, Bob. I'm trying to be better and learn and take the correct setups. That was better, right? Stop loss was at a fine spot. Okay, what's the account looking like? Oh, we're back up for 4. 424. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, was that MNQ? Yes, it was. this poor funded is just... It's doing its best. I love it. Oh, the poor little funded. It's hanging in there. My bullish bias was insanely wrong. Don't worry, me and you both, OTT. I had the exact same bias. Was yours because you wanted to go and see it take out all of the imbalances above, right? I legitimately thought that it would. Okay. Name's real. Oh, okay, 20 over 22. My low trust. This is a whoop whoop. Baby shark. In the trade challenge, it's a 2-week challenge, and I'm up 195% in 2 weeks on the challenge, and everyone else except my friend is 100 or less. What do you trade, by the way, Mr. Willful Hunt? Okay. Okay. Energy might go up. I was trading silver in the challenge. Okay, no, okay, sorry. Let me rephrase that. Let's maybe rephrase that. Nice one. Just got back on the chart. My bias is aiming at long, like OTT, but that was apparent. Life Sound, you are not the only one. I also had a long bias, so it's fine. 40 points. Oh, yeah, it was a 43 point. That's not bad, hey? That's not a bad little scalp, right? I mean, if there were 3 contracts, obviously I'm not going to take this, but out of curiosity. So if there were 3, that would have been $262. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, we just have to consistently do that. And like I said, I am going to sit down this weekend, Sunday, to be exact, and I am going to backtest the hey diddly day out of, well, everything. I've done back to was wrong. I had no reason for longs at all. I think I was not going to go far in range a little. Sorry, Willful Hunt, I mean your strategy. I have a short bias, but isn't it more about how you use it? Banana, what do you mean? Hey, Toby! Keep Keep yourself together. Sorry, my light is flickering. If I have to keep my sugar honey iced tea together, so do you. Okay, fair's fair. There we go. Now we're getting a proper sweep. Yeah, this was very intentional. Do you think this might actually go back up now? With that freaking bing that happened there. I mean, it was 10. I'm curious, though, how does this look on the 5-minute? I don't think I'm gonna take another trade, because that was good. That was fine. But... Ninja? Is Ninja still here? Ninja! Damn, I thought you were snapping at me. No! I'm sorry, Bob, when have I ever snapped at you? Let's just be real. When? Okay. I was gonna say, when have I ever snapped at anyone, but... It's low-key a lie. I have snapped at people. Okay, let's just be real. I've snapped at rude people. Because fair's fair. If you're gonna be mean, I'm gonna be snappy. I feel that's only valid. Baby shark, do 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 do. Damn it. Okay. Not read for the news, but bad for DXY. Why? I trade standard deviation with breaker blocks, and I use the 200 EMA to buy my trade. Nice. I don't know if I was watching the chart, then I heard you snap. I didn't. TSP kicked it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I mean, skins for life. Oh, I'm assuming that's skins for life. If it works for them, does it really matter? My heart almost stopped. Why? OTT, you are too young to have a heart attack. Let's just be real. You are way too young to have a heart attack. Wait until you're my age. Because apparently I'm 72 years old. Okay then. Like... And this.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
People are so weird. Oh, so weird. Where are you, creepy man? Oh no, I don't know where he is. How irritating. Anyways. You don't look a day over 71. Oh, sound, you're so sweet. Thanks, I try. New channel name, Teach Unk Trading. Teach Boomer Trade. Anyways. Man, I was having a trade one time and I almost passed out. Wait, OTT, are you in a trade right now? Wap wap. Wick me out to then reverse noise. Wait, wap wap like happy? Wap wap? Like whoop whoop wap wap? Or sad wap wap? Oh no, wait, it wicked you. I'm very confused. Ninja, are we sad right now? I can still do this because you said noise, but I'm confused. Am I doing a happy dance for you, or are we doing a little funeral for your funded?
Nice.
Inferno, do you have a Discord? I do. Give me a momento. Uno momento. As a belief. Baby shark doo doo doo. If this does not get stuck in someone's head, I'm gonna be low-key upset. I feel like this has to get stuck in someone else's head. I can't be the only one struggle busing this alone right now. Wait, cue the— No! Is it officially gone bye-bye? Oh, wait, you're down but not out. Nice, I like that. Okay. For ninjas funded. To be fair, I thought we'd be doing that for mine, but apparently... Not today! Are you not entertained? Bruh. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. It's a good tune. Share works. Can you show us a year of P&L? I'm yet to see it working. Well, to be fair, I cannot because I haven't even been trading a year. Anyways, anyone else who trades technical analysis that can... Okay, sure. Actually, that being said, you don't have to prove anything. If it works for you, amazing. I'm super chuffed. Just entered a trade on my phone with Julia. She said I thought it was a game. Oh.
Emotional damage.
Oh my gosh, for anyone that did not just read what Only True Trader just said. His sister entered a trade on his phone, his CFDs. She said, I thought it was a game. Luckily it went back to his entry and he was able to close at break even. Can you freaking imagine? I would become an only child really quickly if my sister did that. I'm Trader Maker on Discord. Thank you, Inferno. Please be aware if you do join the Discord that there are scammers out there. I will not be sending you a friend request, okay? If you get a friend request, it ain't me. Okay, if you guys want to chat to me, please feel free to chat to me. I am the one that comments. If you, yeah. It's got $3 left. I'm gonna have to trade cross at one contract to keep this alive. Why don't... Okay. Ninja, are you keen to let the people here choose if you should just go all in with one contract for a long or a short, or do you want to do your own thing? TP is 463. When will you enter the market? I've already taken a trade. I don't know what you're talking about. She little said short, no stop loss, no TP. Imagine if I didn't see. Okay, hear me out. Imagine you didn't see and it was working. You come back and you're like, why am I $10,000 up? Can you imagine? What if you send pictures? What do you mean? What if I send pictures? Huh? Of what? What happened? Crazy work that it went break even. T-Sav, what's up? How's it going? Do I trade 20 files? No, I do not. What's my background? Like my background music? I just realized I still have that Lucid 50k Flex account free account code. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, DT traded with someone. I don't know. I would love to, but I need to keep the account so that I can continue to collect price data from it every day. Ah, valid. Never mind. What's the 30-minute time frame, bias? We can go have a looky see. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. With me tonight. Sorry. Not seeing enough momentum for the upside. Yep. Someone tell Lucid to come to SA. No, like my educational background. None to do with finance if that's what you're trying to get at, right? I'm building a cool trading tool. When I'm back, I'm gonna turn it into something sellable. We'll link up then so I can let you in on more. Ooh, ninja, this sounds interesting. Okay. Calvin, so I live in South Africa, which is awesome. Sorry, give me a second. I'm falling apart because I'm old. Anyways, so I live in South Africa, which is freaking cool trading wise, because literally London market is at, well, 10 a.m. Yeah, SA time. For now, it's about to be 9 a.m. But anyway, so London market is 10, 9 a.m., whatever. And New York is at 3:15 in the afternoon, which is, like I said, pretty damn awesome. So both of the major trading sessions are literally during the day for me. And I do take a break between London and New York sessions. So I have horses, so I'll trade the London, then I'll go touch grass, you know, get away from the screens, get away from the charts for 2 to 3 hours, then come back and then ready for New York. Yeah. I must say, quite blessed being able to trade in South Africa. Background music is nice too. You're welcome. Sprinkler dance. This 50k Lucid Flex account, 100% discount. Thank you for helping my— oh my gosh. OTT is such a gem. Okay, sorry, OTT, you get fireworks for that because you are amazing. OTT is like a gem. This is why I'm so protective over you. Like I said, I'll fight people. I will fight people for you. London. Oh, that's on the Sunday evening, so yeah, don't forget, peeps. Ghana, did you say your horses? Yep. In the challenges Discord, me and my friend are getting fans. I want to join into our trade calls and observe trading strategies. That's cool, Wolf. Are you trading right now? How can price be 20 cents all from 2 trading one real green man? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm confused. What's happening? Oh, sorry, I'm still busy sitting here staring at 30 minutes. Was that the move? Just kind of going back bob to bob? No. Ah, lol, kind of is. Could still actually— I'm not taking this. I am not taking this, but you made that there. Let's see. I don't know if you would have maybe wanted to push this one a little bit higher, because let's see if this would have worked out. Again, like I said, I'm obviously not taking this. Bears are clearly in play, but let's see if this does tap in before it continues back down. Hey, Viral Divas, what's up? I'm not sure if I should buy the new account now or when I get back. USD. Ooh, Ninja, that's a— At this point, shall we do a coin toss and be like, if it's heads, you buy it now. If it's tails, get it when you get back. PNGs. And can't advance a point trade since no one is able to catch up to me at the moment. Okay. Ivan Backstorm, what's up? You're up 40%. Hey, well done. Seriously, anyone that's green right now. Anyone that is green right now. Whoop whoop. Seriously? Whoop whoop, well done. It's tough times, but we carry on. The brake structure on 5 minutes up. but absolutely long. I mean, I'm already in position from the sweep candle. Ooh, nice turn of phono. Alvin, nope. Nope, what? What do we know? Sorry. I feel like I asked a question and promptly forgot the question that I asked. I do that sometimes. Sure, maybe throw up a poll. Well, okay. Let's do both for funsies. Huh. Should we use a... Ah, there it goes. Bob to Bob. So entry would have looked like so. A few points below it actually would have hit TP already, but I'm leaving it kind of like this to see. Time frame right now on the 1 minute. Do you want to use a euro? It's a euro cent. Shall we use a euro cent? Okay. Ninja. Heads, you buy it today. Tails, you buy it when you get back. Well, it landed on hits. It did some crazy things before. Okay, wait. Okay, now it landed on tails. Ah, what are the odds? Okay, last one. Heads. Okay. What do I have for doing these funded accounts? Did I do it? Yep, let's go. Heads it is. Yep. There we go. I got you. The coin has spoken. It's so heavy. Okay. It's my swear jar. No, I'm kidding. Well. Is Butonox a good prop? Yes. Well, it depends. Alvin, it depends on what you're looking for, right? So it is one of those that's very cheap per month, but there is an activation fee, and the activation fee can be quite pricey. That being said, that's similar with Top 1 futures. Whereas Tradeify, there's no activation fee, but it does mean monthly is more expensive. So if you think, if your strategy, you pass evals quick, I would say Tradeify. If you're gonna take a few months to pass evals, I would rather recommend that you do the cheaper monthly costs, right? All depending on how you trade, your strategy, all of that. So with regards to it being a good prop firm, yes, I think it's actually a really old one as well. No one has ever complained about not getting payouts ever that I know of, and yeah, sorry, that's the end of my speech right there. Okay, so with this Bob to Bob, I would have put it a few points below. That's actually where I initially had it. So it would have been TP. Like I said, I was just kind of testing if it was full TP. Interesting. Okay. 40 to 60, I think, is the odds on a call. How? Wolf? Did you get your fund? Oh no, DJ. It wasn't $100 away from getting my fund. I've been on a funded. For the past month, I've been using my funded. The question was I going to lose my funded? I was $100 away from losing my fund. I mean, I'm still basically $100 away. Literally, I'm $100 away from losing my funded. To be fair, I was closer to losing it literally basically a second ago, but that's okay. Now trust this is the bullish reversal. My bias wasn't wrong. We're about to be bullish. I'm being delusional. It's called Delulu. That being said, you never know. If this breaks above it, it could start going OTT. We appear to have lost a little bit of oomph though. Oomcha. How did this look on the 5 minute for la confirmation? Yeah, that was actually a solid candle there. That nice rejection. Broke above. Okay, I think I'm starting to... yeah. Starting to find the correct confirmations and learn to be a little bit more patient with the bob to bob. Like I said, I would have actually taken TP already with this, so that would have been a win, so that's quite cool. Yay, witness, but no, exactly. I am 2 losing streaks from you. No, Batu, I'm sorry, that's okay though, it happens. OGT, maybe this is gonna start going down. Nope, here we go. Quite funny how you get a little bit attached to your bias, right? I still want to see it go up, but that's just because my initial bias was it's gonna go up. I'll take a long if we get a 15-minute fair value gap and tap into it to go higher. Eddie? I think the weight distribution of the coin that rigs the odds, but if you do heads, I win, tails you lose, the win is 100% the person flipping the coin. I love that. Wolf, that's valid. You know what, when you're right, you're right. We can't argue on that one. Okay, so just, oh yeah, like I said, I wouldn't have probably put TP all the way there, so that's fine, but still. Okie dokie! Who else is taking a trade today? Whew. Who else is not feeling done? Good grief, today has been one of those days. TP hit, whoop whoop! Yeah, Louie! Oh wait, okay, wait. Back down to Bob. Yes, yes. No, maybe, yes. Yep. How does this not look on the 5-minute? Oh, I think we're about to start going sideways slightly. Oh, that being said, watch it now just drop to the center of the earth. Oh, on gold buys. Nice, Louis. Okay. Louis, you get a whoop whoop. It's been a long day. Good grief. What? Okay, I clicked the wrong thing. My bad. Apparently I've lost the ability to do things like a normal human being. Whoop whoop. Okay. While I'm taking a little bit of a breather. A little breather. Let's do butterfly of the day, shall we? Let's see. This morning's one was okay. So it was okay. Let's do stuff. Okay, this one is cool. Why do I feel like we've done this one before? No. Have we? No. I don't think we have. Have we done this one? It's called the Satyr Emperor. Oh, I spelled Emperor like a chop. Ready, ready, ready. That's not it. That's not right. No! No! Get away! Butterfly! Okay. Anyways, moving on. Here we go. Thanks for the fireworks. You are welcome. This is it right here. This is the butterfly. Is it? Yeah. Okay, maybe it's not that pretty. This is more like it, but no, you get the idea. That's basically the butterfly. Look at it. It is pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Turtle on Ice, what's up? Okay, so that's here, Emperor. So, wingspan is 45 to 63 millimeters. Distribution, dense forests of coastal lowlands in KwaZulu-Natal, inland to the Midlands and through Swaziland and lower Afro-Montana and riverine forest in Mpumalanga and Limpopo province in Mozambique. Oh wait, into Mozambique, not in Mozambique. Ooh, I apparently don't know how to read anymore. Anyways. Habitat is forest edges, flatlands, coast, mountains. Flight period is year-round, peaks October and March, so now. And his Latin name, his proper name is Charaxes ethelion. So nice, you have to say it twice. Anyways, like it's literally ethelion. But that's Butterfly of the day. He's very cool. Look, he has little spikies. Pretty butterfly. Okay, back to the charts. And then, ooh, sorry. I just saw it's doing something nice. Can't board, just waiting for the credentials. Thanks, man. Aw, Ninja, I got you. Entry, great. 1 to 2 on silver that just finished playing out. No. Ooh, see, that's cool. How pretty are they, Ninja? So what I was looking at was this. It was actually a bit of a B setup. Yeah, I'm gonna be backtesting the heck out of this freaking strategy. That was a B. It would have been a win, but that's fine. Fun fact too about it rarely visits flowers for nectar. Instead it feasts on fermented fruit, tree sap, dung, and even decaying animal carcasses, acting like a busy roadkill loving thug. That's rough. Maya, giveaway for us New Year. Do you guys think I made of money? Good grief. I do not make enough at all. No, you will not be. What did I do? No, I will not be what? What did I do? Oh, no, I will not be backtesting those, is that? Oh, yes, I will. Literally, I planned out all of Sunday. Well, not all of Sunday, obviously. But Sunday, I'm gonna sit, I'm gonna backtest. Do you want to bet? You want to bet, Bob? Bring it on. What do you want to bet? SA trigger. Anyways, good grief. Backtest. I love backtesting. Good actual grief. So, great. Okay. I actually don't know if I'm gonna take another trade today. Like, should I end it on a little win? Little $80 pump? Do you think crude oil will reach? Did you just burp? My dog just burped. Okay, Louis.
Nice.
Am I in the green? I'm in the green for today. Not the week though. Let's not be ridiculous. But I'm in the green for today. By a little bit, but still. Green, green. I made 2 losses. I'm down this week. That's okay, Q. Things happen. It's better than being down for the month, right? Heyo. That's where I'm at. This month has been rough. Thank you, Trading for Newbies. It's okay, Louie. I'm not mad. I'm just super proud because that's brilliant. How do I determine my bob to bob levels? That's some secret sauce stuff. Sorry, I can't give away the secret sauce because it's not my secret sauce to give away. Sorry about that. I was asked by the man himself to keep it hush hush. So them some but you can check them out. I don't have to keep these ones hush hush. You can check out the bob levels on gold. Literally, he's made an indicator called Bob's Gold Rush levels. Whoa! Were there some glitches in the matrix going on around here? What the heck? What happened on gold? Glad you made a way to hang in there. I started reading this book about conversations, news power. I think it's gonna hit. I'm risking it. You're risking it for the biscuit. Damn it. Hasn't quite been reaching on gold like it. What is happening? Why does my gold look holier than a Bible right now? I'm so sorry if that was offensive, but what on earth is happening? Why does my gold look like absolute rubbish? My 94. It's called What We Say Goes Well. I like that. There's Discord. Or it is also in the description, just BT dubs. That was a solid spike there. That was a solid spike here. Spike, spike. Okay, here it was good. Today has been absolute trash on gold. Why does gold look like this today? Is it just my chart? Is my chart the problem? Am I the problem? I mean, it makes sense, but that's not the point. Oh. Why did I do that? Apart from the fact that I'm chopped. That was solid. That was very sorry. I'm thinking to myself again. Curiosity getting the best of me. Let's see how it reacts here. The volume, why does the volume look like it's just kind of dried up? Oh, never mind. As I said that, it started to move a little bit. Again, was a bit of a B setup. Interesting. Okay, well, definitely out of the time frame to do bob to bob moves. So that was the move. It's done. Someone said 22. 22 what? 22? What about 22? As long as they're not saying 6, 7, I don't care. Oh! When is... Let me check my calendar. You're on your own mission. I'm just having a little bit of a moment to myself over here. That's not a calendar, that's a calculator. March, April... May? Yes! May the 4th is a Monday. 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank you! That's what I say to people now. Or kids, let's not say people. What I say to children, if they go 6, 7, I go 8, 9, and I walk away. Anyways, what do we think behind the green in a dungeon and try to find Gordon's basement? Anyways, so who knows why May the 4th is cool? Am I the only nerd that's like, May the 4th? Should I dress up like Princess Leia? Just kidding. No, I don't think I'll do that. But come on, May the 4th, and it's on a Monday. That could be so much fun. Exactly, Scout. Exactly. My nerd's coming out. I love it. Ah, okay. That actually would have worked out quite nicely. Just have to get a little bit more... She's AI. What? I am? Am I AI? Damn, I don't know that. Thank you, Debbie. Nope, I'm wrong. I guess you're the bigger nerd. And you know what? Proud of it. Happily a nerd. I just put it in. I'm gonna say. And I knew it. I'm not AI. I also do not know how to prove that I'm not AI though, so that's a bit of a tricky situation. Damn, DJ, look at you go. That's exactly what an AI would say. Oh my gosh. Sub 2 comes out. I'm not leaving my room. Alright, just hit low of the day. Well, not quite. Oh, wait, sorry. You're not talking about this, are you? Never mind. I'll go back into my lane. I'll be quiet. My bad. Do 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 do. Hey Dom, what's up? Sure, continue. I need some eggs and coffee. Oh, food sounds amazing. I'm surviving off of caffeine at the moment. Caffeine, yes. Perfect when we write break starts at some too early. Access comes out the whole summer. I'm gonna be some. Chicago Prior Promise, which is the best Star Wars media. Oh, got it. Believe it or not, Jay has never watched a single Star Wars ever. That's bad. That, I don't mean to be judgy, but that's bad. Disgusting. No, I'm kidding. Nerdy stuff ain't for everybody. Just like trading isn't for everybody. Quit eating birdseed and start eating some real food. You eat real food. I think. Gonna look. Ice 2 takes some coffee sounds great right about now, Louis. No, I'm kidding, not leaving my room. I'm grind the hell out of that game. I don't blame him. You better to point where Star Wars became meh. Like, where do I even start with Star Wars? I would start. Oh, okay, yeah, it's a bit okay, I'll send it to you on Discord. You have to kind of start. I personally say you start with Anakin's story and then you go back to the originals. But that's just how I watch them. Good zone. Oh, thank you, Trading for Newbies. Multiplayer. Well, that's probably a boss. Oh, wait, I wanted to. Oh, last thing for today. No, yes. Last thing for today. It's Fun Fact Friday. We had a fun fact during London, so I feel like New York deserves a fun fact, right? Fair is fair. So, Fun Fact Friday. Are you ready? Obviously, I've not seen this, so I've just opened it now. Who dis? Okay. After Lyndon B. Johnson's death in January 1973, Richard Nixon was the only living US president until Gerald Ford succeeded him in August 1974. Okay. I mean, that was something, I guess. I have a real headset, yes. Why? Well, his mind shock humor. He has not watched TV since he was 16. He watched an occasional movie that's about it. Prefers his music. I mean, that's valid. This was meh. Should we be cheeky and do another one? Because this one was so meh. Can we have a good one? Okay, here we go. The longest marriage ever recorded lasted 90 years and 291 days. Okay, this is way more interesting. Karam and Qatari Chand were married on December 11th, 1925, and were together until Karam's death on September 30th, 2016. 90 years! I want to know how old they were when they got married. I kind of want to know how old they were when they got married. Anyways, that was very interesting. See, that one was more fun. I like that one. That's ancient. Yeah. I mean, not wrong. Okay, OTT. Ah, listen, you're gonna watch them and be like, ew, this is terrible. Because obviously, you know, CGI back then was not what it is now. You watch it from 1 to 6. Ah, Devonta, I disagree. I remember watching Return of the Jedi in the theater. So, do you actually like Star Wars, Bob? Fun fact: child marriage. Okay. Well, I mean, it would kind of make sense. Imagine being nagged for 90 years. That guy had the patience of a saint. Listen here. How do you know she didn't have the patience of a saint?
Emotional damage.
I butchered that by butchering my English over there, but still, good grief, it's a two-way street. Did anyone ever figure out the MACD's chat? Oh yeah, I think we came to the conclusion that there are more crosses in the world. Yeah. They're worth a watch if you're into sci-fi. Does anyone ever figure out? Hey Michael, what? I'm not watching, so I'm not sure you can watch. Man, my favorite show is Teen Wolf. The CG. No, there was horrid. Star Wars can't be much worse. That is hilarious. Your favorite show is Teen Wolf? What's your name? Toby? Sorry. Is it Toby? Is that it? Sorry, I just read that as what's your name. What's up? I'm Maya, but I'm not a fanatic. No, that's fair. That's fair. There's 1 minute to movie average game for longs. Ooh, okay, Mr. Umi. I'm a Robotech fanatic. I love Robotech. I don't think I've watched Robotech. Obscene Wolf. Have you checked out the book I mentioned, by the way? OTT? You said you wanted to read a book. Have you checked it out? When anime first came. Robotech. Bob is, woo! Sorry. I just saw this now. I had this set up, hey. Huh. Like I said, I'm not gonna take another trade today. I think one and done is as much as my nerves can handle for today. I mean, the fact that I'm saying nerves just shows that emotions, right? Emotions bad. I'm gonna actually just go back to Robo. Was it Robocop? Did I butcher that? I feel like I butchered that. Robotech, Robotech, I'm so sorry. American anime science fiction series. What? Sorry, I'm just having a quick look at the images. Well, Robotech. Well, look what I'm gonna go and watch. Well, this is interesting. Best believe I'm gonna go and try watch this now. This looks super cool. Sorry, we're having very, very serious discussions here about l'anime. Ooh, look, that would have been literally ticked out. Ah, here we go. This is double bottom. Is this the W? Ooh, this might be the W. WWW. Do we start pushing? My mom says, who is that gorgeous one? Eddie, what? Teen Wolf was nice, season 3 was peak, 4 was good, 5 it should have ended. You said you're gonna— oh, but I said it now! 1 Teen Wolf, 2 Game of Thrones. Well, now I really want to watch Teen Wolf. Oh gosh, okay. Apparently there's a bunch of Teen Wolf fanatics. I love it. Is this the reversal? I know enough to know that Styles is, oh shoot, what's that actor's name? I like him though, he's very, like, I don't know, he's cool. Hot take, Countdown OT first view was lovely, but yeah, that just sucked. My, how have you not watched Teen Wolf? I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm gonna have to now, just for you guys. Hey, Beast Mode, what's up? Oh, Beast Mode, sorry. Didn't know Brian, there we go. You share the same birthday, so that's cool. He's my role model. Okay, here's the push. One Styles is me in real life, I just realized. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is probably one of the most random conversations we— no, I take that back. We have very random conversations all the time. I did, T-Sav. Sorry, you missed the butterfly. I even did Fun Fact Friday. Sorry, T-Sav. Yeah. Done. I might be here another 5-10 minutes and then I might just call it. I had a win. Maybe I need to end it on a— because good grief. Good grief. It's been a week. It's been a high stress week. Let's get around everyone. How tall am I? 164 centimeters. What was that? 5'2", 5'3"? I think we've had this discussion before. Hey David M, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Smells like politics. Oh, Teen Wolf Politics. Good grief. Took NQ buys at 515. Okay. I'm not gonna ask you what the goal is. You just send a whoop whoop. Okay, who's in this? Oh no, thank you, Debbie. Taking partials, 1 Game of Thrones, 2 Vikings. Vikings is good. 3 originals. Oh, it's literally just a corset and I'm wearing actually my riding pants and my blue socks. That's about it. Johnny! What up? Loader, hi. I'm good. Yeah. Jody, I literally, you know when you have a tension headache? I really thought this was where the funded was gonna go bye-bye. And I had this little win here, so that was cool. But now, you know, when there's the relief from the tension, the headache just becomes worse. That's where I'm at. It's not a bad thing. It's a good thing it's Friday, let's put it that way. And then Sunday, I'm gonna be back testing solidly. So if anyone's around Sunday, I might just hop on the Discord while I'm back testing. That's so stylish. Heck yeah. Could do a fashion show wearing this. So sexy. Grr. Anyway. Oh gosh, 560 countdown. Are you just trading Bob's Bob levels? Because that's literally just take TP at Bob level. No, it's getting closer to Monday back ends. I go back to school Monday. No, I'm sorry. Sorry. What time Africa will I backtest? Oh, I haven't planned that far ahead. Good grief. Probably more afternoon time. Like around 1, 2 p.m.-ish. SA time. So what time is that? That's like 8 a.m. EST. No prize best. Oh my gosh. Hey Steven! What? Steven, long time no see. How you doing? Usually I gotta find it soon and make some money. Yay! You've got this. What are you doing back there? Eric, I'm going to go have a lay down after this. Today's been a test for me. First down fun and finishing it out currently. 340 down. Oh, I'm sorry. So I won't be streaming on YouTube. I might just hop on the Discord and just share. That's the thought process anyways. Person 40. I won't take that.
Emotional damage.
Oh gosh, guys. Michael, so what prop am I using? I'm currently using top 1 futures. Which one do I recommend? It really depends on you as a trader. Do you think you're going to take long to pass an eval, or do you think you're going to be like quick in an eval? Because that would then determine my answer from there. And do you like using trading view or not? Bit of a 2-part question for me there. Live sound, I'm using FX replay. Sending a trader care package away. Funded account. Beep. Yes, let's go, Eddie. Oh my gosh. Oh man, you guys are freaking hilarious. I love it. What do you guys do on a Friday? Well, we took our trades and now we're just kind of sitting here and we're talking. Now we're chilling. Now we're talking about Teen Wolf. Because the market's lost its little bit of oomph that it had earlier. I mean, it's still going, but it's lost its stock, if you will. I like using TradingView. Yes. What did you say you're using it? So I'm using top 1 futures. Okay, but then the question is, Michael, do you think you'll be quick at passing an evaluation or not? Because that then determines between Tradeify and top 1 futures. Because Tradeify and top 1, you can use Tradeify. I mean, TradingView, sorry. But Tradeify is a little bit more expensive per month, but there's no activation fee. You want to one-up that, like the select account is obviously more expensive, but you only need 2,500 to pass and no activation. Yeah, and then you can get daily payouts or every 5-day payouts, but with the daily max 1,000 max $1,000 daily, which is not bad at all. But if you think you're going to take long with the eval, top 1 is cheaper per month, but there is an activation fee. So, you know, you kind of have to weigh up, is it going to be more expensive if I take longer to pass the eval but no activation fee, or is it going to be cheaper if I take, yeah, you understand where I'm going, right? Damn, my limits didn't get attacked. No, OTT, what happened? How come you didn't enter the retest at the top of the box? Bruh. I had one trade there that spiked my stress levels, and I kind of went, you know what? 1 win for the day is not bad. I now need to just... that was it. Also, because sweet and simply, at here... Oh, I guess theoretically I could have. I could have actually taken it. It was still within the hour. I could have taken it. You are correct. So they would have actually been 3 solid bob-to-bob trades. 1, 2. This was the second one I drew out. This was me being cheeky. You'd actually want to put the bob-to-bob a few points below. So 3 to 5. So there we go. That actually would have been TP there for this bob-to-bob trade. This one, yeah. So there could have been 3 possible bob-to-bob trades there. It takes me usually a month to pass the evals because my risk always stays the same on funded accounts, which is 0.5%. That's not bad though, trading for newbies. What's your consistency like? I had a look at Tradeify. I like the fact that I have an account where there's no consistency rule. Top Surf has 40% rule, so you can't have more than 40% profits on one day. So Life Sound, is that for the eval or for funded? Out of curiosity. Oh, sorry, Wolful Hand, sorry about that. How many points was that long setup? This one here was, if I put it the few contracts at 37, so nearly a 40 point. This one would have looked like so. I would have to see if there was a confirmation. Oh, given leeway. I'm trying to not be greedy with things, right? And then this would have then been another 40 point trade. If it looked like so. So entry at the wick. TP below. I'm trying to not be like greedy with the stop losses. Because well, we saw that screwed me not last week, on Wednesday. It's insane. PT, I just want to know. Top step is first, so they have a max payout of 5k and 40% consistency rule, so I try to keep it around the... Oh, interesting. So Life Sound, like I said, if you check out the Tradeify Select, so there is growth where it's the normal 50k eval where it's $3,000 target, right? $3,000 target, 2,500 max drawdown. The Select, so Select has a 40% consistency for the eval. So, you know, minimum of 3 days trading the eval, right? But it is a 2,500 max. That's what your goal. There we go. Your goal is to get 2,500 instead of 3,000. I lied. It wasn't 2,500 drawdown. It's 2,000 drawdown. I lied. Sorry, with the growth. So with the select, it's 2,500 is what you aim for. That's your target profit to pass the eval, but there is a 40% consistency rule for the eval. Drawdown stays at 2,000, which is freaking awesome. And it's end of day drawdown as well. Again, super awesome. But then once you pass, like I said, there's no activation fee. And once you've passed, there is no consistency rule for your funded. And you can get daily or every 5-day payouts, which, like I said, is cool. I think, unfortunately, I will not be quick enough at passing my eval to make it worth it, because it obviously is a little bit more expensive. But if you think you're going to pass that eval within the 3-4 days, then cool. Why not, right? Bubba's consistent as a monthly element. Always the same, and rewards varies depending on market structures. Always come on top. And I fancy on 2 weeks. Oh, cheers, Ninja. Have a great holiday. I think Silver's short. So real quick, how old even are you? You look 25, 30, if you don't mind me saying. Oh, damn. I'm close. I'm 28. Oh, shoot. I've actually been sitting here having a fat chat with you guys. I was actually going to hop off the charts now, seeming as the volumes died. It's a bit meh right now. I'm in a short right now. Market hasn't moved in 2 hours. So I might be right. Good oil's close. I know, I'm almost 30, guys. I'm turning 28 this year. Gosh darn it. Hey, Chopper. What's up? DJ, why damn? Why damn? Cause 30 is creeping up on me. I know it's rough. Hey, targeting the bub level below. Oh, okay, cool. That's pretty good. I've currently got 2 top step accounts. One fun and one eval, but definitely interested in Tradeify and trade direct through TV. Yeah, it's really cool lifestyle. I mean, yeah, check it out. Obviously, if you want to use my discount code, more than welcome to. It's teach my all caps, but you do you. Ew, I did like Top Step X. Do you trade Project X with that? I'm assuming. Oh, cheers, Turtle Nice. DJ.
Emotional damage.
Y'all are mean to me. Y'all are mean. Mean. Okay, you know what? Okay, guys, I'm actually... Life's out, you're amazing. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm having such a good giggle. I'm being bullied on my live stream. 560? It's getting there, just oh so slowly, Umi. Oh so slowly. It's getting hot in here. Sorry, it's so humid here today. Oh, this would have been a nice trade. Let's see if this goes up. That at least would have been partial break even. Nice. Hoping I could only would have any siblings. Rough. Wrong way. It makes me feel like an old man. What do you mean wrong way? This would have been this trade here. This would have been the correct way. Literally. Here we go. That would have been entry. I would have taken a partial at the 1 level, and 1.1 would have been full TP. This was an 8. Yeah, back testing. Back testing! Let's do this. backtesting Sunday. Whoop, there we go. So it would have actually been full TP. Oh, it nearly hit 560, Umi. So close. Back in your day, that's so rough. That is so mean. Anyways, guys, I love you guys. I love you guys badly. Thank you. Today was very funny. Both London and New York. London, for the life of me, I do not know how I did not blow this London. No clue. No clue. That's why I didn't want to push it now. I had a win. Happy with that. Let's leave it at that. So this funded account lives to see another day. Is this its last day though? Dun dun dun. Okay. Oh, the only thing that matters is you're pretty and weird. Heck yeah, pretty weird. I love it. Just like fast looking 20-year-olds with horrible attitudes. It's a miracle. Oh, what's a miracle? Oh, that it's still alive? Yeah, listen, Calvin, I'm not disagreeing. It is indeed a miracle. What? What's that thing someone said? This girl's like, he called me pretty, and this guy's like, no, I said you're pretty stupid. She's like, see, pretty. Called me pretty. No, that's rude, Demonte. I'm not giving up on this. I've got this. Don't be such a negative Nancy on a Friday. Okay. Okay, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Thank you for witnessing the chaos that is this. I am the chaos. But I love you guys. Thank you for joining. I'm going to call it today. Like I said, I will do some backtesting on Sunday. If you guys are around, if you're in the Discord, I won't do it live. I'll just hop onto the Discord. If you guys want to join, more than welcome to. So yeah, guys, I love you. Thank you for joining. If you want discounts, you can use my code. You guys are so cool. Okay, I will then see you Monday, if not Sunday. Okay, trade safe if you're still trading this. Have an amazing weekend. I love you. Bye.